how to scan my QR code in WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can scan QR code in WeChat. To scan QR code in WeChat, the first step is to launch the WeChat application on your smartphone, just like I have done here. And then you'll be brought to the chat page automatically. So once you're on this page, scroll down to the lowest part where you can see options like chat, contacts, discover me. And you just click on discover. Then, after clicking on Discover, you'll be taken to the Discover's page. On this page, amongst the options displayed, ensure you click on Scan. After clicking on Scan, you'll be brought to the Scans page. And the next thing is to select, scan out the QR code that you would like to scan, and then click on QR code by the lower right corner. So after clicking on it, you can now see you'll be taken to your QR codes page. So click on scan at the lowest part and then just go ahead and scan out the QR code. And so once the scan has been recognized, you'll be taken to another page entirely where the QR code of your friend or the QR code that you scanned will be detected by WeChat and processed, and then you can now go ahead to chat with the person that the QR code has been scanned. So by the time you click on continue to chat, you'll be referred to the application. If it's on WeChat, you'll be referred to the person's chat or the person's contact on WeChat. Or if it's on another application, you'll be referred to that application as well. So this is it, alright. This is how you can scan QR code on WeChat. It is very simple. So ensure you scan all that QR code today. Thanks for watching and have a good time.